So here in the last case, when we would define with an output of the levelization, okay, for the case of output of levelization, so the Q operation is going to initiate for the pop operation there to be ready for levelization. G4 only is going to process here. And the finally what happened, it is going to initialize for the previous based on the G2, G3 of two gates. It is going to initialize the maximum number of gates or depending upon the input of G4, right? So for that case, you'll be having an +1 additionally assigned with L +1 in the sense already 2 is initiated for the previous operation, +1 will be added so that G3 3 will be initiating over for a G4 operation. So levelization will be incremented. So on completion of the levelization of the value, you will be appending that G4 gate. And finally, where the queue is empty, that is what all the preferences of the gate processing of the components are empty, and it is going to end the case. Okay, it is going to end that levelization. So what is this thing in the sense? The levelization, the logic levelization in the sense, so making the code, the generating of the code is to be minimized, to be making with a respect to with the correctness of the generated of the code should be done. Okay, so for that case, what happened? The each and every component will be initiating with the assigned gates, and their input and output will be verified. Optimization should be done, and thereafter the levelization is the main role before going to generate a code over there. Okay, so that's the reason we have an levelization, logic levelization, right? So for this, if have a to yeah, so for this I've written some few points over there from the circuit to get you clear idea. So firstly, we have assigned level 0 for all the primary inputs of the circuit so that ABC equals to 0. Okay, put all the primary test of fan out cases to a Q FIFO principle. Declaration of all the gates Q from left hand side and right hand side. So step 3 comes out with the operation dividing with the front and back operation. Okay, front and back operation. Nextly, the fifth step comes out with input E is so from the principle of first in first out, the circuit left side gates for G2 and G3. Okay, where so RH is having a first preference with G1, G2 and G3 or for the next preference operation. Okay, to pop the gate from Q, the operation depends upon the input circuit first. So as G2 is having a first input E and next input drive for a G1 gate B and C. So as I said you on, first preference will be depending upon the G1. After completion of the first in and first out is defined, so G1 will be defining it as a first input and first output operation. Okay, that's the reason we have declared the sequence as G1 and G2. Okay, so every time pop out gate of a Q, if G2 is not ready for the levelization, then we put the G2 back. So what happened if the G2 is not ready for the levelization, you'll be putting back the G2. Okay, why? Because it depends upon the input, next input, right? So that's the reason we put back the G2 gate. So next we come out with the next gate G1 is ready for the levelization and follow the two steps. So that is what L will be indicating more number of gates driving the gate level that is represented as level 1 and assign L+1 gate for the level 2. So as we have seen in the truth table with indications 1, 2, 2 or 3 increment in the level implementation. So that is done based on the each and every preference of the gate and the pop operation and the next preference operation. So that is what the 8th step comes out over there. After levelization of gate is done, G1, we need to append the gate from fan out gate. So Once after the levelization is done, you are going to append this. You are going to remove this gate from the levelization, so that you'll be depending upon G2, G3, and G4. So that what happened? You depend upon the sequence of G2, G3, and G4 only. So here I have a with the example notation also for you. So you can see if the given circuit is this, at the step 1, I have removed all the levels of levelization is done, and the operation is G1, G2, G3 sequence operation, right? G3 sequence operation. At the step 2, we have splitted these two, LHS and RHS. Okay, step 3, we have put all the fan out gates are taken into a queue, so that the sequence we got is G2, G3, and G1. Okay, where the first in, first out, G1 is already completed, that the sequence is out. Okay, at the last, we have put back the gate here. G2 and G3 is taken for the first preference. Okay, front preference and back preference. Step 4 comes out with pop next gate from queue. Okay, we have popped the next gate. Next gate in the sense G1 is popped over there. G1 is appended from the pop operation, and G2, G3 and G2, G1 will be there. So on leveling up next level, what happens? G2 will be level up over there. Okay, G2 is popped and level up. Level up in the sense, what happened? It comes out with the sequence of the level up keys comes out with the sequence of G1, yeah, G1 and G4. Why? Because G1 is appended over there. The sequence of operation, G1 is processing it. G2 will be taken as a level up 1 operation, and G3 will be taken as a level up 1 operation. Level up. This is for level up operation within the pop declaration. Okay, and at the step 5, we have an G1, G1 and G4 or for the pop operation fan out. On appending of maximum output of sequences, +1 will be incremented, so that G1 will be 2 now, G2 is 1 now, G3 will be 1, and the output sequence will be G1, G4, and G4. So this is one more example we have within this same fan out of declaration. Circuit example. Okay, so the same thing what I have explained, I have written as a point here. So this is one more example, the same similar what we have discussed from the previous earlier example. This is the same example for with another circuit. Okay, another circuit with the same ABC input. The gate operation comes out with G1, G2, G3, and G4. Okay, another example. This is another example with the levelization concept. Okay. So here what happened, the first based on the input n, when you check on with the preferences A, B, and C. So firstly, you can't define the gate, and gate is set to be the first preference. Why? Because so on before applying an input A, B, and C, so you'll be considering the G1 is set to be the first preference. Okay, gate G1 and gate 1 is set to be the first preference. Why? Because so it depends upon the two input. Once you apply 0, you'll be getting a first 1 over here, and you'll be kind of finding out first output from the G1. Okay, I've taken a G1, G2, and G3. Okay, so for this front and back in the sense G1, G2 are the first. Why? Because before you drive on G4 output, okay, and G3 output case, it depends upon the B and C input itself of G1. So I've taken G1 and G2 firstly should be processed, and G3 will be next processed. And the next sequence comes out with put back operation based on the put back operation. Okay, put back operation in the sense first in, first out, right? G1 will be taken first. Okay, firstly will be completing fan out first in, first out. G1 will be taken to the back operation, and will be keeping G2 and G3 for processing. Okay, queue operation will be putting into queue operation. G2 and G3 are in a queue operation. Once after completion of G2, G3 outcome, okay, G2 and G3. So it depends upon the input, right? Fan out is here. Okay, fan out should be taken for the next gate level, right? Fan out should be taken for the next gate level, in the sense that depends upon the G3 only. Okay, G3 only, not based on the G2. It depends upon the G3 only. So I have a G3, G1, and G1. G1 is already in a operating mode. Okay, why? Because this is going to drive for the G4 output, and the G3 is also driving for the G4 output, G4 input. So G3 and G1 will be playing a major role. So for this case, this is an level 1, level up 1. So here at the level up 1, G2 is appended. Okay, G2 is appended. The fan out case of G2 is appended, and level up 1 is done here. So we have assigned the G2 is set to be level up over there. And the G3 and G1 are in a processing mode. So here put back operation is done. So G1, G1, and G4 is taken. Okay, front and back notation is taken. So G1, G1, and G4. So on processing, what happened? Again, G1 and G1 will be taken here. G4 will be taken for the 2 processing mode. Okay, and finally at the levelization of last level, G4 will be taken and minimized for the 3rd level up. So the same example what I have discussed in this example. This one more example.